Okay, simulated zero-gravity human waste disposal test with Meatloaf analog in 3, 2, 1.
Fascinating. What do you think the problem is?
Not enough breadcrumbs. Meatloaf?
What was it doing on the ceiling?
That's classified.
All right, how's this for revenge? A solution of hydrogen peroxide and one of saturated potassium iodide.
What's this?
Mountain Dew. Refreshing. Now, we're going to combine these chemicals with ordinary dish soap, creating a little exothermic release of oxygen.
Foamy vengeance.
That's exactly.
This is brilliant, Sheldon. How are we going to deploy it in Kripke's office?
Already taken care of. Observe. This is a live shot of Kripke's lab via a mini webcam I was able to install thanks to a $1 bill discreetly placed in the night janitor's shirt pocket. At the same time, I also secured large quantities of these chemicals above the tiles in the drop ceiling.
Sheldon, you remind me of a young Lex Luthor.
You flatter me, sir.
Let me guess, motion sensors?
Yes, the reaction will be triggered when Kripke reaches the center of the room. Mwahaha.
I gotta say, I am really impressed. This is truly the Sheldon Cooper way to get even.
It may be low-tech, but I still maintain the whoopee cushion has comic validity. Here comes Kripke.
Who is that with him?
I believe that's the president of the university.
And the board of directors. Abort! Abort!
There is no abort.
Well, how could you not put in an abort?
I made a boo-boo, all right?
I think the board will really appreciate how well we're using that NSA grant, President Seba. Right here we have a micro-controlled plasma.
Wow. Looks like the Ganges on laundry day.
At least they don't know it was you.
Hello, Kripke. This classic prank comes to you from the malevolent mind of Sheldon Cooper. If you'd like to see the look on your stupid face, this video is being instantly uploaded to YouTube. Oh, and a hat tip to Leonard Hofstadter and Raj Kuthrapali for their support and encouragement in this enterprise.
Well, I'm going back to India. What's your plan?